All right, we're back at Jason's place. I think there's only one way to finish off the Temu Typhoon, and that's run it over with a monster truck. We might as well at least get a little bit more enjoyment out of it. God, so that's what America's like then, huh? Yeah, this is American right here.
It's all about who's got the biggest truck, and clearly he's got the biggest truck.
This truck is gonna have its way with this turd. This thing works better in the swamp than it did in the actual lake.
All right, so this is where the rig dies then, huh?
I think this is where she's put to rest. One final proper send off. She's gonna get tacoed on this one. Or Jason's big rig is gonna tip over. Yep. This jet ski's actually kind of putting up a fight.
Oh, that's good. That's looking real good.